Mr. Saleh. I'm sorry, I cannot read the Arabic. Oh, can you write in English? Thank you. I'm very honored you came to my vlog for today. Thank you so much. You see? The red one is the train station. Yes, I can. Oh, I truly appreciate Mr. Saleh Harvey. Thank you. It's very hot. Yeah, it's very hot, but we are not outside. We are in the very nice air-conditioned service. Thank you, Mr. Saleh Harvey. You are in... No, I am in Riyadh. Yeah, this is actually Riyadh King Abdulaziz Road. You see the bridge on top. There is a crown bridge on top. Yeah, we are stopping the light. We are on the red light now, so stop. That's the crown of the bridge. The crown of the bridge. Yeah, how is Jeddah, Mr. Saleh Harvey? Big love shout in 13 million in the YT building, the University of YT. Too much car there. Yeah, because this is a national road. This is a national road, and we have here the train station. That one. And the bridge on top, the crown. Yeah, we passed by the train station. Oh, very nice car. Coolios. Okay. You live in Jazan City. Oh, that's far. That's far. And it is not too hot there, right? I am correct. In front is the Hyatt Mall. Use the time if you can. Years. Oh, yeah. I stayed in Riyadh for now 11 years.